Today I'll show you a strategy that you can use to make money on passive income. It is absolutely free and also available all around the world, so anyone can do it. If you want to make it work properly, make sure to stay until the end of this video so you can get each and every step right. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever a brand new strategy is posted, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. And if you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial, since I have multiple platforms to show you today and I don't want to prolong this video. So the first thing that you need to do is to come over to Instagram, and you need to create an Instagram account, and as you can see, this is a sign up process. So you just need to create an account, and after that I'm going to show you what it's going to be about. And it's going to be about a very popular niche, so I've chosen the animal niche because it's very popular, as you may know, and it can be about dogs, pets, cats, animals in general, and so on. You can of course find another niche, but I suggested this one because it is very popular. And as you can see right here, I'm open up on a page related to that, and you're going to do the same. You're going to put a name related to that niche, you're going to put a bio, you can also just put profile pictures related to that, and so on and so forth. And for now you want to leave it like this because we're going to coming back again on it. But first of all, just create that Instagram page related to animals and so on. So let's proceed to the next step for today, which is to come over to this platform called Yazing. This is over at yazing.com. You can see here that you can get paid for every purchase that you make online, but also beside that, Yazing is an affiliate marketplace where you can get paid to promote all the brands, deal and offers that they are listed on here. As you can see, you can get paid fast through PayPal, which is awesome actually. But first of all, you need to create an account here on Yazing in order to be able to browse all the offers that they offer, and you need to click on the Join Now button here. In the next page, you're going to put a username, an email address, a password, confirm the password, then click on Register Now, or you can join with Facebook if you want to. And once you create your account, this is how it's going to look like. Right now you'll be able to browse all of these different offers, as you can see, related to anything. They even have categories here that you can choose. So you're going to see all of these categories and offers, and they pay you decent amount of money, but also different amount of money. So you need to find one that you think that pays the most. But of course you're going to select the category which is going to be the animals and pet supplies in my case, because it's related to my niche that I chosen before. And you're going to see also a lot of offers here that are a lot of products about animals, your pets, and so on. And I'm going to go with this one. This is the one that I've chosen, support pets, and this pays $30 cash reward. This is one that pays very decently, so that's why I've chosen this one. And in order to get your affiliate link, all you need to do is to click on the promote to earn button, and then immediately it's going to give you your affiliate link, as you can see here. You just need to click on this button here and you can copy it. So it's very easy. You don't need to wait to get your affiliate link, to fill out any form, but you can just click on promote to earn button, and that's it. And this works for all the offers that you want to promote. You need to click on that button and you can get immediately your affiliate link to any offer that you like. So once you get your affiliate link from the offer that you chosen, you just need to go over to bit.ly.com, and of course this is an optional step, but I highly recommend you do it, since if you shorten your affiliate link with a tool like this, it's going to give you a shortened link, and it's going to be more professional, and people will not understand that you are promoting something. So it's going to give you more clicks and therefore more money, because it's not going to be obvious that you are promoting something and that people need to buy something from your affiliate link. So once you shorten it, just click on the copy button right here, and now it's time for you to share it with people so you can get clicks on your affiliate link, and therefore make money whenever someone purchases something from your offer. So all you need to do is to go back to your page that you created on Instagram before, and you're going to put it on your bio, as you can see, just like this person here has done with his page. So you're going to just paste your link here in the bio, and whenever people see it, they are going to click on it and make you money. But it's time for me to show you the two parts that are missing. So you just need to complete your Instagram page, you need followers for it, and also you need pictures that you can post on your page so you can grow it. So what you can do for the pictures that you are going to post on your Instagram account is to go over to this platform called spexels.com. This is a page where you can find free stock photos, royalty free images and videos shared by creators, and the thing is that you can find them for absolutely free and also copyright free, so you are not going to face any copyright issues if you get on a photo from this platform and then you share it on another website. So it's absolutely free, and all you need to do is to search for animals, for example, and once you do so, you're going to find a lot of photos here related to animals, and you can just click on this button here so you can immediately download it on your computer, as you can see right here. It's easy as that, and you can get as many pictures as you want in order to complete your profile. Once you do so, just go over to your Instagram page and you can post them so you can create a more good looking page, and you can attract more people. And in order to get followers, I have two methods for you, and the first one is a free one. What you can do is to go over to animal pages here on Instagram, just like this one for example, and you can go over to their followers and you can start just getting the list of their followers and following all of them. So you have a big chance that they are going to follow you back, because you are going to post those very nice looking pictures and cute pictures of animals. So like this, you are going to target people that love animals and people that will be our potential customers. But if you don't want to grow your account manually, you can go over to this platform called shoutcart.com. Here you need to create an account for absolutely free first, and then you can just browse influencers, and you can pay them really cheap to give you a shout out to their page. And once you create your account, you can be able to browse all of these pages, and also you can see how much they are charging. And you can see they are charging like $10, which is not a lot, and they are advertising to a lot of followers, as you can see right here. So all you need to do first is to find the categories. As you can see, you can find what social media platform you want to be advertised on, and also you can select the categories here, animals or dogs and cats, so you can target people that love animals, dogs. After that, you're going to pay someone from these influencers to just give you a shout out, so people can see it, can follow you on your page, and then you can grow your page and you can get more clicks on your link that you are going to put on your bio here. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.